Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing this new Flash Auto Quick Detailer. Right, so I saw this advertised on Amazon. I think it was about £11. I'll drop a link below if you want to actually purchase it. I always remember Flash from when I was a kid. They had an advert saying it cleans baths without scratching. But yeah, they do some really good household cleaning stuff. So I think they've just started to branch out into the car cleaning and detailing world. This is the first product I've actually bought from there. It's the Quick Detailer. I know they do a shampoo and things. So I may test the other ones at some point. On the back here, how to use. Ensure clean and dry before application. Quick spray on and wipe off application. Can be used on both paintwork and glass. That's good. Use regularly to keep the car paintwork topped up to a high gloss finish. Right, this is quick and easy spray detailer for instant shine to the car paintwork. So, right, okay. What we'll do first, we'll give it a go on the actual Nissan in the garage, and then we'll try it on the Celica. They're both clean, so hopefully this will give them a little bit of gloss and a little bit of protection. Right, so the car is a little bit dusty, but it's not too bad. It's probably just where it was sat outside the other day. The trigger is a little bit small, so I don't know how comfortable that's going to be. Let's turn that to on. What's that say on top there? Spray, off, stream. Okay, so we've got different nozzles. We'll go to spray first, I think. Try that. We don't stream. Just going to use a standard microfiber. Smells actually quite nice. It does actually smell a little bit like their floor cleaner. So it has got a very sort of citrusy, sort of cherry sort of smell to it. But yeah, that seems okay. Cleans the dirt off. Buffs off nice. Yeah. Feels nice, but this car's kept pretty clean anyway, even though it has got some dust on it. But there is some dust and some smears on the glass here, so I'm going to try and see if I can remove those. It says you can use it on glass as well. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, does the job. It's a detailer and it smells nice. Good clarity. See the reflection, see all my stuff on the shelf. Yeah, there's a battle scar through here, the actual scratch in the window, but this car is nearly 40 years old. Yeah, impressed so far. What I'll do is I think I'll just go around the actual roof of the car and clean all the dust off, and then we'll have another look at it. Well, as a detailer, I think that is pretty much bang on. I went back over again with my soft polishing cloth here. I think this one was from Auto Finesse, I think it was. It's quite a plush cloth, gives it a nice buff off. But yeah, that's quite good. It's got the dust off. There was some spider drop-ins along here and along the back, and it fetched that off really easily. There's no smearing. Really nice clear finish. It's not marred any of the surface, no harsh chemicals. It smells quite nice actually, nice and fresh. Glass looks really nice and clean. So what we'll do now is we'll pop outside and try it on the Celica. So as you can see, the Celica's a little bit dusty and dirty. I only washed it yesterday, now it's covered in dust and pollen because it's been so dry. But what I'll do is I'll give it a little bit of spray down with this. Good old flash. Hopefully this will remove all the dirt and not scratch the paint. Again, I'm using two cloths. I want to just wipe all the dirt off. I want to give it a bit of a buff. I'm impressed with the shine level. That's really nice. Feels really nice and clean and smooth. No marring or dragging. And it cleans the glass up really nice actually. No smears on that either. Well, let's try this side bit here. Yeah, probably change your cloth if your car's a little bit dusty. Get a new application cloth every so often. Yeah, quite like that. I have actually changed the trigger on the actual flash bottle for one of mine. I think it was from a mirror image bottle. It's a little bit more comfortable. The spray pattern's a little bit wider and it just feels better in your hand. This one here, it sort of digs in a little bit and the trigger's a little bit flimsy. If you're doing a whole car, then a more comfortable trigger would be better, but if you're just topping up, yeah, that's fine. It's like your household polish or household kitchen cleaner sort of nozzle, probably exactly the same as what they put on those bottles. I do find these triggers a lot nicer, a bit more comfortable. But that's my only real sort of niggle with the actual entire product. I think it's really, really good. Cleans the glass up lovely, no smears. Smells nice. Removes the dust, gives a really nice coat of wax or polish, so it feels really glossy and smooth. So it's definitely worth a try, and it's a pretty reasonable price. It's not overpriced, it's not the cheapest, but it's not the most expensive. And for a new range, I'm really impressed with it. So I think I may test the rest of the range at some point. But let me know if you've used this before, what you think of it. Drop me a comment below. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.